Hello many friends and sisters. Or ask yourself why. My channel has so many views. There are even views. There are videos up to 20,000 views. I honestly share with you that, in my view, there will be some number of views. I book in there. How to book so I can share it. Many of you have asked me to make a video. Support leisure. I often go to the website as the dollhybrid.id. Then everyone comes in. Of course everyone has to deposit. Then people go to the YouTube service. Up here it's all done. Including making services about dolls. 1,000 hours of watching. Then 1,000 subs to make money. It'll do it too. Hear this, it will have some of this example, this YouTube view. Like YouTube or comment YouTube. All of YouTube's services are there. I want to work. From YouTube, everyone goes to this view. Then people enter the link to the video. Come on in. Any video can be any video. Here it has this people's guide. Then people choose. Give me the server you need. For example, it's all noted as minimal. Maximum number of views. And how many examples is this one? 500 minimum. That's a million views at most. It's all marked. Of course, people have deposited money here. There are also short videos. Everyone read it for me. For example, what kind of short video? Any kind of long video, it's a note. Keep it in here. Then people put the quantity in here. For example, loading, 1,000 views. Come on, it's going to give all these people money. This is very quick. It handles for everyone. It should be handled in about a day. Everybody try it.